Seconds. This is the WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion coming with the review today. So, how was the Royal Rumble? Never seen those thoughts in the comment section because what the guys flat? What the guys flat of the Royal Rumble? Please leave in the comment section. But we saw more review today, so we got next zucchini noodles and some chicken. My dad actually makes this. Thank you, my dad, for making this dinner here. So we got some next one is zucchini noodles and some chicken. Alrighty, that's this zucchini noodles. Sushi, yeah. This is his taste. Double down with this guy. No way. And now chicken. Alright, chicken. We got two rolls with you guys. Sushi, yeah. This is his taste. That's good chicken. But the whole meal compacto. So I'm not saying that, I don't know why. But alright. So the schedule looks like this. Tomorrow is a 3-in-1. A vlog, a preview, and Western Night NXT Week episode on Thursday. It's just a food review. On Friday is a food review / Friday Night SmackDown episode. And on Saturday is a preview. Also predicts nothing. Yeah, next week you do new last week. So thank you guys for watching videos, guys. I think thanks for comments on YouTube. Thank you so much. So thanks for watching videos, guys. And please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and down on your notification bell. Never miss an upload on the Kids Sushi channel, and these experiments too, by the way. And please, with second example, sponsor my new channel. This Kids Sushi channel, and these experiments too, please. And please share my channel to your friends, and please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. If you don't know with that, Sushi Nation and Sushi Bluesy, I have tables for you guys. Sushi Skins, Sushi, yeah!